Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video today I'm going to strip the brake limiter valve down that I've recently changed on my Classic Mini and have a little look inside it. I've never seen what it looks like inside these limiter valves before. I don't think they're serviceable items, so we'll have a little look and see what it's all about. First of all, let's get it on the bench and get it cleaned up. Right, that's it, had a little clean up, so I think the first thing to do is try and get this nut off. Right, I've got the brake valve limiter in the vise, nice big breaker bar, so let's see how easy this comes off. Pretty easy. And that's what we've got inside there, a little valve with a springy bit. Let's see if we can get this cap off. Right, here we are. Maybe get some light on the subject. So there's the inside it, and it is fully crud and dirt. It's like mud. That's obviously a seal that's went round the outside of it there, because there's a little channel in that. I don't know how far we can take this down. There we go, it's similar, get you in a little bit better. There we go, it's like a similar seal to what's on in the brake pistons. But there you go, there's another bit of mud. It's exactly what it feels like, just mud. a bit of muck there. Now I'd imagine the reason why the back brakes felt like they were, well, they were locking up, but they didn't feel like it, they were. It's probably because this component here was on its way out. Now, look at how much muck is in there. I can try and get the light behind the camera so you can see into it. And also the colour of the brake fluid that's came out, it isn't that great. Look, just the muck that's in there. I mean, it doesn't feel gritty. The best way to describe it is it feels like mud. So that's obviously not been helping. Right, let's give that a clean up. Right, I don't know if you can see inside there, but there's more muck. There's more muck in there. There you go. See that white stuff? Possibly grease. I don't think that's going to move anymore. I'll leave that to soak in for a few minutes and I'll come back to it. Right, I think that's as far as we can go with it. What I have noticed is when you push the back in, I'll try and get some light in it. If I push the back in, I won't do it with that, I need to do it with something hard. The little valve in the front there comes out, or it moves forward anyway, but I can't see any way to strip that down further. I'll try and get this out and hopefully whatever's inside it, ball bearing or the valve itself, might get a look at that. I've got an idea. Let's chop it. So here it is. This is what the internal of a brake limiter valve looks like. As you can see, it looks very similar to the internal of your brake master cylinder, with the way the pistons set out there. So guys, once again, if you have made it this far, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.